Nice.
Don't be bad, Danny. Yeah. Don't be bad on him as well.
Oh, I won.
Are you crashing you or anything?
You can actually lie down there if you wanted to. Nice. That's just like a huge slot.
Maybe lie there on the rope, you like right in the way. Oh man, that's
I think I'm gonna come up there.
Come here.
I kind of want to watch though.
How would you take a break on that? Wouldn't the rope get in the way?
Yeah, it looks like it is right now.
You seem to be struggling to clip your draws, Paula.
No, I think he's doing pretty good. Really smooth. Just on the clipping.
The only clips he fumbled are on your crappy time draws.
Is that
So
you?
much hate.
So those are yours, the Angie ones? Or whatever?
Yeah.
Oh,
You don't like them either? They're so nice.
okay. I fumbled with one. It wasn't that bad. You just really have to make sure you're dead on or else it's like not happening.
Well, that's why you have to know how to clip.
Nice, Dan. Nice, Jay. Nice. Oh my God, pump.
You got it.
Come on, bud.
Don't drop my quick draw.
Drop one right now.
Come on.
top of it.
Just shake it out. Come on. Rest.
You got it, Jay.
Come on, bud.
Nice little move there.
Jumped out left, I think.
It's so goofy.
I think. Pollock. Yeah. Nice catch. You done? Yeah. Oh, dude. I was at the anchors. Yeah.
Oh.
You can't clip them?
Oh my God. Yeah.
You know, he's gonna burn like another 800
Oh,
calories
shit.
just getting right there.
I skipped a clip. No. What? Oh, yeah, he totally did.
Yeah, I see it right there. Oh, shit.
Oh shit, that's huge.
Andy, are you gonna leave this? Well, I guess you guys wanted to climb it. That's
Hey, if you top rope it, it's gonna make it easier to clean.
I just gotta like jump. I'm not gonna top rope until it's on the anchors though.
That's true.
Fine, I'll go back on that.
He's going back up.
He's